As you know, before, the video called Laughing Kitty that I did, where I pulled up on this thing at the 5th fret, I figured out how to make it do it a different way. Laughing Kitty Part 2. With the Canyon effects pedal set on S and H mode, we'll make the kitty, instead of purring with the whammy bar, purr with the effects pedal. Laughing Kitty Part 2. Play the strings open. See how weird it is to play them open. Yeah, I've been having some problems with this guitar. I've had to have it worked on. I'm going to have to put another locking nut up there on it. This one's stripped out, I found out yesterday. It's been acting up with me and not staying in tune, and that's why I've been playing that other one. I had to have this one in the shop. I hope you enjoyed the Laughing Kitty Part 2.